Good morning, BNI, and welcome to Beyond the Meeting Room. My name is Yash Nanda, and I am your host today. We have Sheetal Kamdar with us today, and we'll talk to her about her business, about her success stories in BNI, and her journey as an entrepreneur. So, Sheetal, please introduce yourself and tell us about your category in BNI and how did you started the journey in your category.
Good morning, BNI. I am Sheetal Kamdar. I am from BNI Excitement. My category in BNI is I'm a fashion designer. I'm into custom clothing, customized ethnic wear,
Okay.
which means I generally use ethnic fabric and make Western design. That is
Okay.
called ethnic fusion wear.
Okay.
And my journey in BNI is 2 years old. I
Okay.
joined 2 years back, and it has been wonderful journey in BNI.
Okay.
I have learned so many things in BNI. I grew in business in BNI.
Okay.
Um,
Tell us about your USP in your business. Like we all know that the fashion industry is booming so much, and then how you are sustaining your business into your category.
okay, so in BNI, I am famous for my quick service. I deliver dresses in 2 days, 3 days. Like whoever wants something urgent, they just call me Sheetal, urgent chahiye, and it's
Okay.
been done. And
And
I have some clients in USA through
okay.
BNI. I got these clients through BNI.
Okay.
So I take measurements over phone, and
Okay.
then the dresses
But
are.
isn't it difficult to take measurements on phone? Like, how do they give you a measurement? Like, how do I know that what's my
Okay,
size? And for
so
example,
yeah, we do this on a video call. So I teach them how to take the measurements. And see, being I have an experience of 17, 18 years in
amazing.
this industry. So a little I can figure out from looking at the client, I can figure out the
Okay.
size, etc.
ओके सो डू दे एवर कंप्लेंट कि थोड़ा साइज ऊपर नीचे है यार मजा नहीं आया ऐसा कभी होता है
सी ऐसा क्या होता जनरली क्या होता है कि यूएस में बैठ के आपको कोई इंडिया की बेस्ट चीज चाहिए सो लिटिल हियर एंड देयर दे टॉलरेट दे नेवर कंप्लेन
सो
अबाउट इट पर ऐसा कभी हुआ
सो
नहीं
सो
है
फार सक्सेस रेशियो क्या है आपका अगर आउट ऑफ 100 हम बात करें तो
सो आई कैन से 90% क्लाइंट नेवर
अमेजिंग
कंप्लेन
दैट्स अ
या
वंडरफुल इनसाइट एंड दैट्स सो अमेजिंग मतलब आप सोचो कि आप यूएस में बैठो एंड आपको इंडिया से कस्टमाइज डिजाइनिंग आउटफिट चाहिए एंड यू जस्ट गेट इट ऑन योर टिप आपको सिर्फ वीडियो कॉल करना है ऑर्डर देना है साइज आप दे देंगे एंड यू विल गेट योर प्रोडक्ट सो दैट्स वेरी गुड एंड अच्छा आप ये बताइए कि इंडिया में जब आप देखते हो कि मार्केट इतना बढ़ रहा है फैशन इंडस्ट्री बोलो ट्रेडिशनल के हिसाब से अगर बात करें तो हाउ अबाउट क्या ट्रेडिशन अगर आप ऐसा फोकस करेंगे जिसके ऊपर आपको ऐसा बल्क ऑर्डर्स मिलता है या ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर आपका
ये जो
ट्रेडिशन
मैं आपको जो फ्यूजन चीजें बोल रही हूँ कि आई डील इन फ्यूजन एथनिक वेयर सो यू नो दैट रियली वर्क्स कि
ओके
सपोज मैंने इकत फैब्रिक लिया एंड इकत में मैंने कोई वेस्टर्नाइज
आप पहले तो
डिजाइन दी
ऑडियंस को बताइए क्या होता है ये
इकत
इकत
इज अ टाइप ऑफ हैंडलूम फैब्रिक
ओके
so which is fine quality
ओके
so that is very famous amongst ladies
ओके
ikat because वो common नहीं होता है
ओके
so it looks nice on wearing
जो
and it
आप
feels good and Bombay weather is always hot so
राइट
ikat comes in cotton as well so
ओके
that is useful more useful
what is your targeted audience if we talk about starting from let's say 8 year 9 year girl from or can
okay
go
so I have clients from I can say 20-year-old to 70-year-old
okay
females
and as you mentioned that you are into customized
yeah
your clothing
yeah
so
so
you customize for each and every client of yours
yes, yes, yes.
and how
I do only customizing and I specialize for plus and petite size.
okay
So as we know, for a very small size, there are not more option in the market
correct
and same for plus size, there are no good options in
correct
market. So my more clientele are plus size. So, you know, I make them look beautiful by good fitting.
correct but as we know now we are so much into technologies and we have lot of online applications so how do you feel yourself like how do you compare yourself with this online applications like we know Amazon, or we know
Yeah,
Flipkart or
yeah,
Myntra, or
yeah,
there are
yeah.
many other apps. So how a customers can find you and what you can do for them so they can come to you and not the application.
See, so far it has been like that, that it was always a word of mouth kind of thing. And now as BNI is there, so BNI has helped me a lot through networking. So I get a lot of clients from BNI through networking.
Why did you join BNI? Like when you came as a visitor, so
Uh-huh.
what was your thought in your mind
For networking,
or business?
yeah, of course. So through networking, I will get business.
And in which year? Like within the first year you got your business, or you took time to
Yes.
get your
No,
first?
no. I started getting business from the first year itself.
Amazing. Any success story from BNI and outside BNI? So
Uh,
two success stories I am
okay.
asking for
So
our
in
audience.
BNI, in our chapter, there is a lady called Alifia Motiwala. Her cousin stays in US. So
Okay.
she was looking for a. She is very particular. The lady in US is been very particular. So Alifia recommended me कि you speak to Sheetal, and I had taken her measurements over phone. I delivered a dress in 10 days, which was very difficult for
From
me.
here to US.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and she was very happy.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And is she still your customer?
She's still my customer.
And
She's regular now.
oh wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing. And outside BNI story, success story outside BNI.
Okay, so outside BNI, my recent story is I delivered someone's trousseau blouse, 21 number of blouses
Wow,
in 20 days.
that's amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So, uh, anyone in fashion designing. So, what is the career insights now? If somebody wants to become a fashion designer, how they can get into this market, and what is the one thing which you would like to tell to the fashion designers? Because nowadays you see Bollywood and Bollywood weddings
Yeah.
and Bollywood parties and all. So people are the youngsters basically. So they are more into this, wearing the outfit of the day and outfit of the
Yeah,
night and
correct.
also when we talk about the weddings, because you are into weddings and all.
Trousseau.
So one thing which you would like to, the one who wants to be in the fashion industry. So what would you like to tell them?
So see, fashion is like it's for me. I believe fashion should be evergreen.
Right.
Okay. When you spend a lot of amount in for your outfit, the fashion should not go away. So
Correct.
I personally believe that I should design the styles which stay for long. It should not be like that कि 3 महीने बाद fashion चला गया
Right.
and money is wasted. So I believe in that.
Okay. So also we know that आज का ट्रेंड जो चल रहा है कि एक बार ये शादी में मैंने ये पहन लिया, सेल्फी आ गई मेरी, तो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वेडिंग और फॉर द नेक्स्ट
हाँ.
इवेंट वो सेम नहीं पहनना होता है.
Correct.
तो इन दिस सिनेरियो हाउ डू यू सजेस्ट योर क्लाइंट दैट कैसे उस पे फैशन के सेंस देनी चाहिए, और हाउ समवन कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू लुक आउट ऑफ द सेम ड्रेस व्हिच दे हैव परचेज फ्रॉम यू. सो कैसे कर सकते हैं उसमें ये?
So generally people really don't prefer same dress दूसरे
Correct.
function में पहनना. So what we suggest, see if I make a pure fabric wala dress which will cost them around 25,000 approx. I'm giving you an example. So when they say that I'm going to wear this only for once, so then I suggest you go for the artificial fabric
Okay.
to cut down on the cost. So when the cost will go down, she will definitely go for other dress for other function.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so many things about your USPs and all. Uh, what is your product range starting from and beyond? तो अभी उसके मतलब बहुत जा सकते हैं. But then what is your starting range if somebody just want to step into your store? So product कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं आपके पास and जाने के लिए तो फिर you do customize.
Yes.
So based on the requirement तो
Yes.
वो ऊपर जाएगा. लेकिन
Yeah.
what is the starting range at your place?
So at my store, my starting range is 2250.
Okay.
Cotton shift dress. Cotton shift dress costs to 2250.
Where are you located also? You can mention.
Okay, yeah, I am located at Ragulila Mall, Kandivali West.
Okay.
Ground floor, shop number 249.
Amazing. Okay, so बहुत बात कर लिया बिजनेस के बारे में. अच्छा, टेल मी अबाउट योर हॉबीज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बिजनेस एंड ऑल. वो तो होते रहता है.
Okay, I love traveling.
Okay.
And I am planning a travel to Kashmir with Shine Madraswala from my
Amazing.
chapter.
Amazing.
And tracking.
Okay, we should plan one track
Yes.
together as a social team.
Definitely.
Okay. Anything else in music?
Of course, I love music.
Which type of music
Being
you like?
Guju, I love Garba also with
Amazing.
Yash.
So, anyone from the audience, Gujarati अगर आप हैं तो you can send us a ticket for Falguni Pathak's Garba, and we would be happy to join you guys. Uh, that's amazing insight about your business, your hobbies, your
And
you know,
one important thing is I'm very passionate about my work.
you have to be, because if you want to survive in
Yes,
your
yeah,
business, you have to love your work.
yeah.
Otherwise, कोई
Yes, so
दूसरा
I
बंदा
love
आएगा.
my work. It's like I'm totally into it when I'm designing for someone.
Correct.
So I love my work.
That's amazing. मोस्टली सब हमने कवर कर लिया है. बीएनआई के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बता दीजिए कि अगर किसी को ज्वाइन करना है बीएनआई इनटू द सेम इंडस्ट्री, फैशन इंडस्ट्री में, उनके लिए कैसे बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है ये चीज?
As I kept on saying कि BNI में जब आप नेटवर्क करते हो तो वो नेटवर्क आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है.
राइट.
Like I used to go to the trainings, सारे socials attend करती थी. Then I used to take responsibility in BNI कि
अच्छा, one thing.
role.
What are your roles in this chapter now?
I am in the VHT team.
Oh, that's amazing. So, जब भी कोई आता है तो
तो
आप
सबसे
आरती,
पहले मुझे मिलता है.
तो आप आरती करते हैं उनका and ऐसा कुछ होता है, नहीं होता है?
आरती तो नहीं होती, but yes, of course, we greet them nicely.
So now you have
and
an idea. अगर हम ऐसा कुछ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन डू दैट, आइडिया आप ले सकते हैं आरती से स्वागत करने का सबका एज अ वीएसटी टीम. सो थोड़ा और इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा, हमारे विजिटर्स
ठीक है.
बढ़ेंगे, हमारा जो
कोशिश.
नेटवर्किंग है वो बढ़ सकता है.
ठीक है, अगर आरती से नेटवर्किंग बढ़ता है तो I'll do that.
Amazing, amazing. So that's our time for Beyond the Meeting Room. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the guest on our podcast, and we look forward to generate more and more referrals for you and business for you. Thank you so much.